Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bose sound system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, chrome mirror caps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.